Teddy Bear Day, we're going to celebrate by doing an experiment with gummy bears. So this experiment is testing osmosis. And osmosis occurs when liquid flows through a semi-permeable membrane, and it allows some things to pass through them, usually liquid, but not other things. Gummy bears are made from gelatin and water, and they start out as a liquid and then they cool into a chewy gummy solution. This is because of the gelatins that are present in the mixture, and gelatin has molecules that are chain-like and they create a solid makeup. So for this experiment, we are going to be placing our gummy bears in a couple of different types of liquids, and we will leave them there for 24 hours, and then we'll report back in 24 hours and find out what happened to the gummy bears. So here we are with our gummy bears and our liquids. So we're going to try to put a gummy bear in Gatorade. We'll see what happens. And then we'll put a gummy bear in regular water. And then we'll put a gummy bear in salt water. And here we have our control gummy bear, and we're just going to leave this out. It will remain dry. There will not be put in any liquid. So in 24 hours, we will measure what happens to the gummy bears. We can see with our control gummy bear that it is about 2 centimeters long. So we'll see what happens in 24 hours, see if they grow, see if they absorb some of the liquid, and see if it's different between each of these liquids. What do you think will happen? Okay, here we are, 24 hours later. We see the gummy that was soaked in Gatorade, the one that was soaked in water, the one that was soaked in salt water, and there's our control bear that had no liquid. So let's lift out the gummy that was in the Gatorade.
It's kind of hard to get the gummy out because it's so slippery.
Okay. All right. How about the gummy that was in the water? That one even broke apart.
It's water.
Okay, and how about the one that was in the salt water?
Very salty. Do not try it. I tried. I did not like it.
So we can see from the size that the salt water did not grow as much, but the water one really expanded and soaked up a lot of water. And the one in Gatorade, the Gatorade also soaked up a lot of the liquid. And we can compare it with the original gummy bear. Look at that. Look at the difference there.
Definitely growed.
And the one in salt water didn't grow too much. Let's just measure how much. So if we remember, the regular one that was not soaked was 2 centimeters. So let's see how big the one in the water. So that one grew to double the size. It looks like it's 4 centimeters. And the one in the Gatorade is 3 centimeters. And the one in the salt water stayed the same size. It didn't really absorb too much. So this is the process of osmosis.
How was this?
Hope you all have enjoyed this gummy bear science experiment. Try it at home. You can try water and see what other liquids you could try to soak your gummy bears in and see what kind of results you get. Have fun!